Hey everyone, having Wi-Fi or network issues on your iPhone? A quick network reset can fix it. I'll show you how to do it in just a few easy steps. Let's go. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on General. Then tap Reset at the bottom. Here, tap on Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will ask you for your password. Enter it and then confirm the reset. Your iPhone will now restart. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings and Bluetooth connection, but don't worry, your personal data is very safe. Once your iPhone turns back on, reconnect to a Wi-Fi by going on Settings, Wi-Fi and entering your Wi-Fi password. And that's it. Your network should be working perfectly by now. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one and thank you for watching. Come back again for more videos.